Good evening, all. My name is Ercilia, and I am a member of the Verbal Trading community. I've been a member since January 2018, and I was on Simulator for about 6, 7 months. And in September, I decided to open a very small account with SME, as you can see here. And so since September, I've been trading live. Um, and I wanted to share with you all today a trade that I made. So on my watch list today, I had eBay, PayPal, OZK, and PG. I try not to have so many tickers on my watch list. Too many will probably distract me, and I just like to keep focused on two or three. PayPal did get my attention here in the morning around 8 o'clock. I saw these hammer dojis forming. The price action did drop, and it was brought back up here, and it just held this 9 EMA here for quite some time, about an hour. It dropped here and it bounced back off of this VWAP, and at the open I noticed PayPal was very strong. It had this upward smooth price action momentum. It was just slowly moving upward, not showing any signs of weakness. And so I decided to keep an eye on it. The second candlestick was this small bearish candlestick here, and it held the VWAP here for quite some time. If you look at the 1 minute chart, it clearly, you can see an ABCD pattern forming, which is an A here, B. It held this level here for about 5 minutes. So this was my confirmation and my opportunity to go long. So I noticed a 1 minute high. I decided to go long here. My stop slightly below VWAP, and my initial profit target on the daily chart was this moving average here. I believe this is the 50 moving average, which was 87.05. I did exit the trade a little prematurely. I was very impatient, and I was actually trading my P&L, something that I'm trying to work on. I actually exited out during my trading, which is something that I've been doing recently. When I trade my P&L, I'm not focusing on the trade actually. And so what I did here, there was really no reason for me to get out of this trade. As you can clearly see, higher highs and higher lows, and I could have actually exited the trade here at around 86.19 when it made this double top here, and it didn't make a new 1 minute high. I made about $60 on my account, and right now I'm just working on slowly building my account. And so this is my first trade that I'm sharing with you guys, and any feedback or any comments, any questions you may have are greatly appreciated. And thank you very much, and see you all next week.